Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Golf Edition 75 with a powerful 1.5 MHEV engine and 116 horsepower. This sleek grey estate boasts 20,600 kilometres on the odometer and comes loaded with features like ambient lighting, cruise control and Wi-Fi network. Safety is a top priority with ABS, collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line model. Call us or visit our website mullingarautos.ie for more information. Own the road in style and luxury with the Volkswagen Golf Edition 75. With advanced technology, superior safety features and a stunning design, this car has it all.